Imagine you are driving down the road and suddenly your transmission starts shifting so harshly, it feels like the whole car is about to fall apart. This isn't just a minor glitch. It is likely your car screaming at you through a P0880 code, which points directly to a problem with the transmission control module power input signal. This diagnostic trouble code is a generic powertrain issue that applies to many vehicles made from 1996 to the present, including brands like Hyundai, BMW, Chevy, and Dodge. Even though it is generic, the fix can vary wildly depending on what you are driving. If you see this code along with a malfunction indicator lamp or a specific transmission lamp, it means the powertrain control module has spotted a hiccup in the transmission control module power circuit. While some of these modules are tucked inside the main engine computer, most of them sit alone as standalone components. In modern cars, these computers talk to each other constantly through a high-speed network called the Controller Area Network Bus, or CIN for short. Think of it as the central nervous system of your car, where data about engine speed, wheel speed, and transmission shifts are shared in real time. When this communication breaks down or the power signal is interrupted, the transmission can no longer calculate the perfect shift strategy. You might experience erratic shifts, or even find your car stuck in a single gear to protect itself. To get to the bottom of this, you will need a diagnostic scanner and a digital volt ohmmeter, also known as a DVOM. My biggest tip is to look for technical service bulletins first, because they can save you hours of head scratching. Check your fuses and relays first, because a simple blown fuse or a bad contact relay is often the secret villain behind this code. If the wiring looks good and you have power and ground at the module, you might unfortunately be looking at a faulty transmission control module or a programming error that needs professional attention. Don't ignore those harsh shifts, because they can lead to much more expensive mechanical failures if left unchecked.